In this tutorial we will see how to import the descriptive file ESI of the Camozzi devices into the TwinCAT3 environment by Beckhoff. Each device must have a description file to be recognized by the PLC software. The file has an XML extension. To import the file into the TwinCAT library, you will need to copy and paste it into the folder indicated in the video. Start the TwinCAT software. And now open the project we are working on. In the top bar we select TwinCAT menu item and then EtherCAT devices. Finally, reload devices description.